Hello everyone, welcome back to Library Exam Hub. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss virtual library, hybrid library, two important concepts in library information sciences. These topics are frequently asked in IGNOU, BLIS, MLIS, BRAOU, UGC NET, KVS, NVS, EMRS, TGSET, APSET, DSSB, and various library recruitment examinations. Before we begin, let us understand what we'll learn in this lecture. We will start by understanding the concept of virtual library and then discuss its characteristics, components, services, advantages, limitations. After that, we will move on the hybrid library where we will study its features, services and benefits. Finally, we will compare virtual library with hybrid library with digital libraries. Then some example and solve some important examination question paper. Users must understand the meaning of virtual library. A virtual library is a library that provides access to information resources through internet without requiring users to visit physical library building. Instead of printed books, journals, users access digital resources such as e-book, e-journal, thesis, dissertations, online databases, multimedia resources, and institutional repositories. One of the most important features of virtual library is that users can access information from anywhere in the world at any time using computer, laptop, or smartphone. For exam point of view, remember this simple formula. Virtual library is equal to internet plus online access plus no physical collections. Virtual libraries have several important characteristics. They are completely internet based and provide access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Users can search, retrieve information from any location without physical visiting the library. These libraries support multiple users at the same time and provide secure access through usernames and passwords. They also include powerful search facility, making it easier to locate information quickly. Because of these features, virtual libraries play an important role in distance education and online learning. A virtual library consists of three major components. The first is information resources, including e-books, e-journals, multimedia files, online databases. The second, technological infrastructure, which includes services, cloud storage, internet connectivity, search engines, and web interfaces. The third component is human resources, including libraries, IT professionals, and users. All these components work together to provide seamless online access to information. Virtual libraries provide many useful services. Users can access digital reference services, online public access catalogs, electronic books, electronic journals, document delivery services, and institutional repositories. They also provide current awareness services, selective dissemination of information, remote logging facilities, online user support. These services ensure that users receive accurate and up-to-date information without visiting the library physically. Virtual library offer many advantages. They provide access to information anytime from anywhere. Since resources are available online, there is no physical geographical barriers. Multiple users can access and use the same information simultaneously. Searching is faster and easier through keywords and metadata. Virtual libraries also support distance learning, save physical space, and reduce paper uses, and also encourage resources sharing among institutions. Despite many advantages, virtual libraries also have some limitations. Access depends completely on internet connectivity. Many digital resources require subscriptions and licenses. There are copyright restrictions that limit access to certain materials. Cybersecurity threats, technical failures, and digital divide are other important challenges. Therefore, while virtual libraries are highly useful, they require proper infrastructure and technical support. Now let us understand the concept of hybrid library. Hybrid library combines traditional printed collections and digital information resources. In other words, users have access to both printed books and electronic resources from the same library. This model allows users to choose a format that best suit their needs. For example, a university library may provide printed textbooks along with the e-books, e-journals, online databases, digital repositories. Hybrid libraries combine the strength of both traditional and the hybrid libraries have several unique characteristics. They maintain both print and digital collections. They provide services to users who visit library physically as well as those who access resources remotely. Most hybrid libraries are integrated library management systems such as BOA, NewGenLib, and provide online public access catalog. These libraries also maintain digital repositories and offer internet-based services alongside traditional library functions. Hybrid library consists of several interconnected components. It begins with printed collections and digital collections are managed through library automated software made accessible through OPAC and digital repository. Internet connectivity allows users to access electronic resources remotely while printed resources remain available within the library. Thus, the hybrid library provides the best of both physical and digital environment. Hybrid libraries offer both conventional and modern library services. Traditional services including lending, reference services, reading rooms and reprographic services. Digital services includes OPAC, e-books, e-journals, online databases, institutional repositories, remote login and CSSDI, Wi-Fi facility, digital reference services. These combined services provide maximum convenience and flexibility to users. Libraries combine the strength of traditional and digital libraries. Users can choose between printed and electronic resources according to their preference. These libraries improve information access, support research, and preserve rare materials digitally, encourage resource sharing, and provide flexible learning opportunity. Because they offer multiple formats and hybrid libraries are considered the future of modern academic and research libraries. Hybrid libraries also face several challenges. Maintaining both print and digital collections requires a larger budget. Libraries must continuously update hardware, software, and internet infrastructure. Managing copyrights, licensing, and digital preservation is another major responsibility. Finally, skilled librarians with both traditional and digital competencies are essential for successful operation of hybrid libraries. Now let us compare virtual libraries and hybrid libraries. A virtual library mainly provides digital resources through the internet and usually does not require a physical building. Hybrid library, on the other hand, combines printed and digital resources within the same institution. Virtual libraries mainly serves remote users, whereas the hybrid library serves both online and remote users. In simple words, virtual library equal to digital only, hybrid library equal to print plus digital. The difference is very important for competitive examination. Students often confuse virtual libraries and digital libraries, but there is an important difference. A digital library stores, organizes, preserves, and manages its own digital collections. A virtual library mainly acts as a gateway that provides access to digital resources available over networks. It may link to resources owned by different organizations rather than maintaining all collections itself. In short, digital library focuses on building, managing digital collections, whereas virtual libraries focuses on providing access to distributed digital resources. Remember this distinction because it is the favorite question in UGC NET and library recruitment examinations. India has several excellent examples of virtual and hybrid libraries. Examples of virtual libraries include National Digital Library of India, SWAYAM NPTEL ePathshala, which provides online educational resources to learners across the country. Example of hybrid libraries include libraries of IITs, central universities, AIMS, DRDO, where users can access both printed collections and digital resources through modern library management system. Let's solve a MCQ. Hybrid library is a combination of A. Print plus academic, B. Print plus digital resources, C. Schools plus public, D. National plus public. The answer is B. Question. Which library provides internet-based access without requiring user to visit physically? Option A, public library. Option B, school library. Option C, virtual library. Option D, national library. The answer is C, virtual library. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Library Exam Hub. Don't forget to press bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming library assignment. In the next video, we will continue our journey by exploring another important topic in library and information science. Until then, keep learning, keep preparing, and stay motivated.